This video speaks to the role of a maintenance manager, what the job is, and the job description. The maintenance manager is responsible to direct the work of outside contractors and consultants as required in managing operational repairs and capital projects as required. This information is a source of general interest for all interested parties. It may be used by human resource personnel as a base to develop job requirements for positions required to be filled within your company. It may also be used by job seekers to provide an understanding of advertised job positions and allow them to write their resume in a manner that suits the advertised or non-advertised position. This information was gathered and collected from many job-posted sources: newspaper job sections, business magazines, company websites, and the internet in general. It presents a cross-section of the needs and requirements of many diverse industries, especially the building facility management and operations and maintenance requirement. This manager ensures that contractors and consultants comply with all applicable codes, bylaws, and regulation. He ensures a high level of tenant satisfaction by attending meetings, preparing reports, and following up on outstanding issues. He's responsible for forecasting and reporting of all projects relating to the portfolio, as well as operating expenses. This includes expense participation and annual tenant reconciliation. He also participates in the development of the tenant's emergency operation procedures. I should say, he or she oversees and directs the operation and maintenance of all electrical, mechanical, standby power, switchgear, and building direct digital building automation systems. This person also oversees all preventive maintenance routines and work orders as they pertain to the automated maintenance system. Also involved in and contribute to the energy management plan for the buildings in the portfolio. He or she also manages all aspects of risk management and environmental compliance as per contractual obligations, and participates in the ISO quality management program. The maintenance manager also prepares building performance reviews and updates annually as required, including required firefighter protection plans. Also conducts annual property inspections to ensure proper operations and reliability of equipment and building components, and participate in inspections conducted by various authorities. This manager also oversees construction and tenant improvement activities, including a review of specification and drawings, as well as follow-up and commissioning. Also maintains and builds relationships with other groups within the company related to asset management, project management, financial systems, technical services, customer call center, and others as required in the performance of the job. The qualifications for this maintenance manager position is post-secondary diploma or degree in a related field and a trade certificate in HVAC, mechanical, or electrical. Hold a related professional designation, FMA, RPA, or CFM preferred. Also, have 5 or more years supervisory experience in real estate operations. You must have strong working knowledge of mechanical and electrical systems. You must be detail and action oriented. You must demonstrate experience with scheduling, budgeting, and reporting. Also, you must have strong computer skills with specific experience using Microsoft Office Suite. You must have the ability to obtain federal government and RCM security clearance. And the maintenance manager must also hold a valid driver's license. That is the end of this subject. Bye now.